guys? It's Catfish, back with another video. And today I'm out in Barrington at Impromptu Cars and Coffee. Yeah, out here in Barrington, and we are at the Calibre coffee shop. We're at the Calibre coffee shop out in Barrington, and there's a couple cars out here. We're gonna walk around and let y'all see. It's a couple cars. It's a couple. This is an impromptu thing because they're not doing Supercar Saturday anymore. So the owner of the coffee shop decided to do his own little impromptu thing. We got a Focus RS right here. We got a Camaro, SS Camaro right there. We got a Audi S4 right there. We got an old girl right there. And look who showed up. This guy. I got my guy Sublime in the GT 500. And we got a old school right here. Look, this thing is so nice, guys. Look at this. Look at the inside of this thing. And it's actually got a back seat. Oh, wow. Look at this. Thing is nice. Y'all see the window switches? Yeah, guys, it got air conditioning too. Yep. Look at the engine. 383 stroker. Y'all see that compressor right there? Small block. But the star of the show is this thing right here. 2016 Huracan twin turbo. Look at the wheels, guys. It's got Anarchy wheels on it. Are you kidding me? Red guts. Y'all see the red guts in there? Yeah. Yeah. Twin turbo, guys. Look. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. The sun is beaming down, but I don't know if y'all can see that in there. Y'all see it? See them turbos in there? Yeah. Thing is nasty. Yep. Like I said, we just came out here real quick, talking to the people. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. NASA's been funded. Thing is nasty. There was a couple other cars here, but they left. But yeah, that's a beast right there. But look at this thing, guys. Thing is nasty. There you go, right there. Mr. Sublime himself.
How you doing, Catfish?
Going on, brother?
Just chilling.
Yep. A few cars came and left, but I don't know. It's pretty cool. They do this every Sunday from 8:30 to 11:30. So yeah. I'll be here next Sunday too.
Try to get here a little earlier, but
yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
I mean, it wasn't that many cars here. I said last week it was a lot of cars.
Yeah.
But this week,
probably the temperatures might have something.
Yeah,
to do with
but that's all right. That's all right.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, this is where we at out in Barrington. You know, little impromptu, little car show. Yep. So yeah, that's gonna wrap this up. It's a little short video, man. I wanted y'all to see what's going on. So just like that, this video is over.